Look around you for a moment. Every single day people wake up early and go to work. They spend their time and energy on one thing: money. But here is the truth no one clearly explains. Most people spend their entire lives chasing money without understanding how it actually works. They think working harder means earning more. They think earning more makes them free. Reality shows something very different. Some people work 12 hours a day and still struggle to pay bills. Others understand the system, make money work for them, and build a life of freedom. What is the difference? Some people work for money, while others understand the game of money. Money is a system. Money is a tool. Most importantly, money is a game. Like every game, it has rules and strategies. If you do not understand the rules, you will keep losing. Let us start with the most basic question. What is money? Most people say money is cash or salary. That is a very limited understanding. Money is not just paper or numbers. Money is a representation of value. You get paid when you solve a problem, help people, or create something useful. Value is the starting point, not money. Most people make a massive mistake here. They focus on earning money instead of increasing their value. They live in a trap. They work, earn, spend, and repeat. They wake up, go to work, spend their earnings, and start again. People who understand money follow a different path. They build skills. Skills increase value. Value increases income. They do not stop there. They convert their money into assets. Those assets slowly generate more money. Every game has rules. Rule 1, money flows to value. Money comes because you create value, not because you need it. Solve small problems, earn small money. Solve big problems, earn big money. Rule 2, hard work alone does not create wealth. This is a massive lie. Money is about leverage. Leverage means how many systems are working for you and how many people you impact. If your income depends only on your time, your growth is limited. Rule 3. Time is more powerful than effort. Compounding means your money grows on top of itself over time. Consistency beats intensity. Small, smart decisions today create massive results tomorrow. Rule 4. If you do not control money, it controls you. People who do not understand money spend without thinking and invest without knowledge. Rule 5. The game is long-term. Money rewards patience. Real wealth is built over years of smart decisions. You also need to understand income types. Active income means you work and get paid. If you stop working, the money stops. Your time is limited, so your income is limited. Passive income means you do the work once and money keeps coming. Your time is not directly connected to your earnings. Smart people use active income to build passive income step by step. They save, invest in assets, and build systems. Why do most people stay broke? First, a lack of financial education. Schools do not teach you how money works. Earning money and managing money are two completely different skills. Second, emotional spending. People spend based on stress, happiness, or boredom. Third, fear of risk. People fear failure, so they choose safety. But no risk equals no growth. Keeping money in the safest place forever means it slowly loses value. Fourth, living to impress others. People buy expensive things to look successful. This is looking rich, not being rich. The game is simple. Rich people buy assets. Poor and average people buy liabilities. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket. It generates income and grows your wealth. A liability takes money out of your pocket. It creates expenses and reduces wealth. Wealth is about how many assets you own. Money is not just about numbers. Money is about how you think, feel, and behave. The biggest shift happens when you realize money decisions are emotional, not logical. This is where delayed gratification becomes your biggest advantage. Delayed gratification means you do not let every feeling control your decisions. It means choosing what is important over what feels good in the moment. The modern world trains people to want everything fast. Fast food, fast shopping, fast success. Very few people are taught how to pause and wait. Delayed gratification is powerful because it is rare. Wealth is not usually destroyed by one giant mistake. It is weakened by many small decisions that feel harmless. People say, "It is only a little," and years disappear. People who build wealth ask, "What will help me most in the long run?" Real patience is active. It is discipline. If your income does not grow, your life will always feel limited. You must increase your value. Learn high-income skills like communication, sales, or technology. Solve bigger problems. Build multiple income sources so you are not dependent on one system. Every dollar has a future. It can disappear in one day, or it can become part of a stronger future. The goal is to reach a point where your passive income becomes greater than your active income. At that point, you are no longer working for money. Money is working for you. Delayed gratification is not a punishment, it is power. Every controlled decision is a brick. Brick by brick, you build a financial life stronger than impulse. To win, you must build your own money system. A money system is a clear personal plan for how money enters your life, how it is handled, and how it is assigned. It removes confusion and reduces waste. Without a system, money is pulled by moods. With a system, money follows purpose. Your life will not change in one big moment. It changes in the small decisions you repeat every day. Every time you choose discipline over distraction, you move closer to a better life. Start small. Stay consistent. Keep going. Once you understand the game, you do not just play it. You win. Never forget this. Do not depend on luck. Do not just work harder. Focus your energy on learning a high-income skill. Stay consistent and improve daily. Stop depending on outside opportunities. Learn a high-income skill and start creating your own opportunities.